This is Jay reporting live from Far Rockaway Beach. This is what the streets look like. You have sand dunes, hills, mountains on the streets. I'm getting ready to walk up to the beach area, the beach itself, and see exactly what I see. So you'll see everything that's in the path of me. Now mind you, this is the street that I'm on, where cars are supposed to be passing, as you can see. It is now all eroded from beach. Take us up by the ocean so we can see what the ocean looks like. As you can see, the boardwalk is lifted up, raised up high. Here in Far Rockaway suffered a mini tragedy here. Alright, it's getting cold. I'm gonna go. Settle off here. Swing sets. Where the children of this community once came to play. Mind you, all this right here should be ground, but instead, sand. It's a kid's playground. Poor little elephant almost buried under sand. And this is not the sandbox, it is now. See the yellow line, grass, and look at the sand.